What's up, YouTube? This is Yang Lee over here with a video about should I become a manager if I'm given a choice. So today it's about explaining about if you're offered a choice of becoming a manager and you're a maintenance technician right now or whichever role, should you take it, right? And, uh, and there's a couple things related to it. Bottom line is, do you like to manage people? Do you like to manage projects? Do you even like management in general, right? Um, if you don't like those, then it's probably not a good choice for you to move forward into uh, to that next step right there. Uh, However, certain fields, right, they're kind of locked into becoming a manager to get a bigger salary increase. However, right, there are other choices as well if you can't or don't want to go become a manager, right? There's specialists, uh, a subject matter expert in a sense, right? So those are fields that you can go to. However, that may require a organization change. So uh, there's that fact too. The organization that I'm more familiar with, right? Becoming a manager is the way to get a salary increase. Otherwise, you're kind of locked into the highest level of the maintenance technician. So uh, just speaking about from the experience of being the manager, right? So the manager, uh, you manage people and you manage projects and you manage expectations, right? For the team and people, right? So um, those are quite different than being an individual contributor, right? As an individual contributor, you were given expectations, these are your deadlines, and go after it. And those are things that you can do with your two hands, and you can take care of business yourself, right? Being a manager, you're given two people, and the hopes is that you don't fix the problem with your own two hands. You manage the people to get work done for you, right? It's a great way to multiply work and expand the work rapidly, right? It complete the work twice as fast with two hands, right? Right, but um, it's definitely different thing to work with, right? If you're not familiar with managing people, right, it could be tough and it could be very tiresome, cumbersome, and very debilitating, right? Reaching into your life, even into your personal life too, right? Just drained of energy, and those are things that can happen as a manager. So it is quite difficult if you're not up to task on it. But however, I will say salary increase is a very nice way to go. Um, However, you do have to keep in mind, right, in your individual contributor role for as a maintenance technician, look at the overtime rate and the chances of overtime and where your salary currently is, right? Because with enough overtime, you can easily reach to manager wages, right? And that's gonna give you a couple benefits. You won't be salary, and you will have the salary benefits. At the same time, too, you don't have the responsibility on the weekends as well. So uh, that's big. That's big value added. However, if you don't have any of the overtime benefits and you're nowhere near the salary wage range of a manager, then yeah, you would have to become a manager if you want to reach that range, right? Managers are getting paid money because big money because they're expected to expand the business quick, right? With the help of many hands under their scope. So um, otherwise, yeah, look into other specialist roles and such at other organizations. Um, I can expand this topic a little bit more in the next video. Give my 2 cents on this, and then yeah, I think that's kind of it for right now. Um, give this video a like, a comment, or subscribe, whichever one you want to do, and then I'll follow back up with more information. Yangley out.